Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 3rd October. And first of all, national news. Dussehra celebrated across Delhi with Ravan effigies burned amid grand festivities. Uttarakhand announced winter closing dates for Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri temples. 103 Maoists, including 23 women, surrendered in Chhattisgarh's Bijapur district. Punjab police added Demon of Drugs effigy to Dussehra celebrations to raise awareness. Electronics component manufacturing scheme received 249 applications, IT Ministry. Deep depression formed over Bay of Bengal off Andhra coast. And now news related to world. India and China agreed to resume direct air services by late October. US President Donald Trump to meet Chinese President Xi Jinping in 4 weeks. Elon Musk became first person with net worth of $500 billion. Earthquake with preliminary 5 magnitude shake Istanbul, causing panic. Taiwan said will not agree to making 50% of its chips in US. And now some sports news. Grandmaster P. Yan won 62nd National Chess Championship in Guntur. ICC Women's ODI World Cup, Australia beat New Zealand by 89 runs in Indore. News related to business. Fresh investments by Indian firms surged to near 15-year high in the first half of 2025-26. IRDAI alerted public to fraudulent consumer education website. And that's all in news. Thank you.